What you got there?
I have a Lincoln Town Car, but you?
I got an S-Class.
Well, they're basically the same car.
Yeah, same thing. You like my new mic, by the way?
Oh, new technology.
Yeah, awesome.
Arabian Bisons are moving up. Let's go drive.
Let's go. We know that was an awesome shot, but don't get used to it, guys. Motion Arabia was filming. we're not that professional. And it's dark. So they did all the professional shoots. We're not doing anything professional. Anyways, let me start this thing. Buttery smooth. And Ahmed Zadalik, wait, let's go annoy Ahmed. Ahmed. How's the Lincoln? Comfortable?
تراك بال
حبيت. Nice. Nice.
Huh?
ليش?
Just Osmo Pocket is suffering.
Why?
You're just like, oh, and Osmo's like, what am I doing?
Yeah, wait.
Keep up, yeah.
Yeah, and
Abdullah. All right, so we are out now driving. I am in the Lincoln and Ali is in the S-Class. And yeah, we have the help of the Motion Arabia crew today, which is pretty awesome. That's why you saw some, professional shots. And yeah.
so what I've got today is a Mercedes S500 Hearse. And although it states that it's a 600, it ain't a 600. Man, no matter what you do to an S-Class, once you drive it, it's still an S-Class, man. It is comfortable.
Ali, how do you feel driving this hearse around Dubai?
Man, the comfort is insane.
I never thought I would be this comfortable in a hearse.
It is comfortable. So these cars, as per what we know, is road legal, but I'm not really sure about it with the whole thing on top. But in the end, it's an S-Class. It's like you're in a, yeah, it's an S-Class in the end. You've got all the options, all the amenities of the S-Class, okay? But
MGZ made the speed.
Motion Arabia team doing their thing. Here we are, as you can see, and we're getting a lot of condensation on this windshield. But yeah, let the MA guys do their magic. Car's a bit squeaky.
So driving these things in Dubai, it's pretty freaky. It's actually pretty freaky. Everyone's looking at you, everyone's taking photos. We cause traffic because of people wanting to look and see what's going on. It is absolutely insane. It is so difficult to film, drive, and know where you're going at the same time while driving these things. Oh man, my beard looks like complete trash.
How's life, Ahmed?
I don't know, man. I'm delivering death.
Ah, man.
Do you think these things are on Uber Eats?
Uber Eats?
Death delivery?
Zomato, most likely.
So that was eventful.
That was eventful.
That was fun.
Sadly, we couldn't do the filming. It wasn't working in
Inside
the car.
the car, exactly.
So we're going to talk about the car now.
Exactly.
And give you what we
Information.
know about
Yep.
these
Yep.
cars. So, as far as we know, we have the S500, which
600.
it says 600, it's a 500.
How do
It's a
you
V8. I know.
Okay.
It's a V8.
Okay.
Okay? And we have the Lincoln Town Car, and they're both hearses. So,
Yeah. So basically, what these are is just these are cars that are used to transport the dead
yes,
in urns.
which is fun.
Driving these down Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Boulevard
Yeah.
was pretty fun.
So, we have Ahmed.
So come, let's go around the back.
Yeah, let's talk about the S-Class first, okay? It's a regular 96 S-Class, the car that's known to be the most engineered car out
By
there.
the way, this is all done from the factory. right?
Yeah,
So
this is all factory. This is all factory. This isn't, obviously, but this is. Now, as you can see... Oh, by the way, there's an actual door.
Yeah.
This actually happened.
What's in there?
And yeah. So,
There's a battery in there.
oh, wait. Not, light. 1 second. We'll use my phone.
There's an actual battery.
As you can see, there is a speaker system and fuse box. Yeah, that's about it. And there's a firewall between us and the dead, basically.
Now let's talk about the important stuff.
Yeah,
The back of this tank.
where the dead sit.
You know, this is where all the magic happens.
So as we know, this is all decorated. Okay.
Heavily, see the doors
Heavily.
over here.
Okay, you can see the designing. It's not actual gold.
And then the inside, look at the roof.
It's really interesting. Wait, let's.
Next level.
It's. I don't know if you can see this, but this is amazing.
Also, you know how you get these out?
Yeah. How?
So this, you pull this, you get this out, and then you can pull this to put like a stopper over there.
Nice.
It's pretty interesting stuff.
Nice. Yeah. So basically, when you're laying there, you got a nice view. Quite interesting.
Yep.
And now,
Let's look at the other one.
let's look at the other one. So as I told you, there's somewhat of a confusion. There's an S500, but it states that it's an S600, and it states that it's an A5. So
And this one
yeah,
has 7 Series lights. BMW 7 Series lights.
like when we actually saw, we thought it was a 7 Series.
Yeah.
We're like, oh nice, 7 Series and an S-Class, but turns out no, 7 Series lights on a Lincoln Town Car.
But yeah, this is also very similar.
Yeah, but I don't know why I find this prettier. I find it nicer. Open this up.
I don't know.
He doesn't know how to open it. Okay.
Super broken.
Yeah. Okay. Anyways,
And
your
I'm not
head.
gonna stick my head.
Move your head. Okay. You can see
This is more wooden.
all wood and everything, and the beautiful design over there, and the nice ceiling, and those really nice lights. So yeah, basically.
Yep.
And shout out to the guys from Al High
High motors.
Al High Motors for giving us these cars.
Also, another thing.
Yeah.
See over here. I think in here I think
Yeah.
you put a plaque with the name of the person that died. This is removable from here.
Okay.
Remove this, you put a plaque.
Nice.
Same thing on the other one.
Nice.
That one's black and gold. This is just pure serious gold.
Yeah.
That's
Quite
very,
interesting.
very nice.
So
Also, this has a speaker system.
yeah, same
Is
as
it?
the
No,
other
it's on
one.
the other side. It's on
Oh, it's on the spare tire is here.
Nice.
Nice. So spare tire is here, and you get the speaker system on the other side.
We're not going to turn it on because it's stupid.
Yep. So yeah, that's basically all we know about.
Speakers are right here. Look.
What? Ooh, interesting.
Yep.
Anyways, let's end it.
Yeah, pretty interesting cars. It's fun.
Ah, wait, we need to move
Yep.
for better lighting.
Here we go.
Yeah.
So, thank you again for watching, everybody.
Thank you for watching.
Let us
Please
know what you
like, share, subscribe. Look, I don't know the order that people use.
Whatever it is, the whole shindig.
Yeah, the whole thing. Okay.
And do you like these cars? Should we do more weird stuff like this?
Yes.
Let us know in the comments.
So this is the second weird car that we have. First one was a CXT,
CXT and then
and now it's the hearses.
yes.
So let us
We're
know.
gonna get some more weird cars.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
All
Bye.
right. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.